This video will discuss question number 6, question number 5. The question is cos A minus sin A plus 1, cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. We have to use this identity cos square A, cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So you can see this is our question. Now at first we have to do is we have to change these terms into this cosec A and cot A. Okay, at first we have to change this all the terms into cosec A and cot A. Usually what we used to do is directly we will do cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. But no one will tell you why we are using this sin A only, why not other terms, yes or no? To make this cosec and cot we have to divide only by sin A. Clear? Okay, so cos A by sin A by sin A, 1 by sin A, again here also cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Clear? We have to take sin only. Okay, now cos A by sin A is cot A. Okay, again sin A get cancelled, 1 plus 1 by sin A is what? Cosec A. Reciprocal of cosec A is 1 by sin A and sin A is 1 by cosec A. Now here also cos A by sin A, same cot A, sin A one time minus 1 by sin A is cosec A. Clear up to here? Now what we have to do is cot A plus cosec A. We can write like this, cosec A minus 1. Just I brought this cosec A here and I just send this minus 1 on that side. Here it is same only. Now we know one identity is, we know this sin square A plus cosec square A equal to 1. Yes or no? Again we know this also, cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Here we have to take this because we have to solve cosec A plus cot A. Yes or no? Here no needed sin and cosec. We need what? Cosec and cot. Sorry, sin we do not need here. So we can write in place of this 1, we can write cosec square A minus cot square A. See here. Cot A plus cosec A. We can write here cosec square A minus cot square A. This is our formula. Okay, this is our formula. Now in downside same, plus 1 minus cosec A. Now you can see here cot A plus cosec A minus cosec square A minus cot square A. See here, this is our one part, cot A, and cosec A is our one part, yes or no? And from here 1 is only cosec square A minus cot square A. So you can see what is the common here. What is the common here? At first, before doing this, you can see this is in one identity. Okay, A square minus B square. You can see here, this is A square, this is B square. Okay, what is the formula of this? A plus B, A minus B. Clear? At first do this, cot A plus cosec A minus a square minus b square is what? A plus b. What is a? This is our a, this is our b. So cosec a plus cot a. Again we can write cosec a minus cot a. Understand? A square minus b square is a plus b, a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Now this is same. Now we have to take this common. Okay. At first we have to solve this and then only we have to take the common. Okay. Now without doing this, it's hard to do because we have to. At first here is cosec square a, here is only cosec a, here is what? Cot square a, here is only cot a. Okay. At first we have to solve this a by using what formula? This a square minus b square, a square minus b square, and then only we can do. Now you can see here. So what is the from here in this and in this, what is the common? The common is cot a plus cosec a only. Cot a plus cosec a is our what? Common from in this. Okay. Into what is the common? Cot a. Here is also cot a. Here is also cot a. Here is also cosec a. Here is also cosec a. So what will remaining here? If I take this common, means nothing will remaining. Then we have to write 1 minus cosec a. I brought here cot a. I brought here. Here what is remaining? This is only remaining. Cosec a minus cot a. Okay. Okay. Put this in bracket, and this downside is same as it is, plus 1 minus cosec a. Now cot a plus cosec a, cot a plus cosec a, you can see here 1 minus into cosec a is minus cosec a, minus a plus cot a. Okay. In downside same as it is, cot a plus 1 minus cosec a. It is good that the denominator part is the same from the first only. Okay. Just we have to solve our here first one only, numerator part only. From here you can see cot a plus 1 minus cosec a, cot a plus 1. If there is no number in front, means if there is no symbol in front, means we have to think it is what? Positive number only. Okay. Here is cot a, here is cot a, here is plus 1, here is plus 1, minus cosec a, minus cosec a. This is get cancelled. So what is remaining? This only is only remaining, cot a plus cosec a plus 1. This is only what we have to solve. You can see in your book. Question number what? 5. This is only what we have to solve. Cosec a. Yeah, we can arrange like this: cosec a plus cot a plus 1. Okay. This is what we have to solve. Oh, no one. See here. Here is cot a plus cosec a only. Okay. Cot a plus cosec a only. No one. I thought this also, no problem. This and this get cancelled. What is remaining? Cot a plus cosec a only. So cot a plus cosec a or cosec a plus cot a. Write cosec a plus cot a. Why? Because you can see in the book it is given cosec a plus cot a. So thank you so much for this. If you understand, please do like, subscribe to my channel for latest update.